Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to buy CS2 cases or CS2 skins on Steam Market. So it's pretty easy, let me show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open up Steam and then hover your mouse over Community at the very top. Now in this list you will find Market, so click on it. And on this page you can easily buy any items. On the right side you can select the necessary game, in our case Counter-Strike 2, click on it, and then you'll be able to find the necessary item. For example, let's try to buy a case. Of course you need to have money on your balance, so let's select this recoil case, click on it to buy it, then scroll down a bit, and here you can click on buy. Check this checkbox at the very bottom. Here you can select the necessary amount of cases. For example, if you would like to buy 2 cases, type here 2 or only 1. And of course, you can select the necessary price for which you would like to buy this item. Okay, let's place order. Okay, purchase success. Your item is now in your inventory. So go to my inventory, and here you will see this recoil case. It was a pretty short video. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.